Hey guys, so as you can tell, I'm in a good mood today. Um, I just closed my trade for the one that I was using. I can't even speak. So I'm super happy, guys. I made 400. I got to 400. That was the goal for this week. I turned $94 into $410. Here's the clip of me closing my trade. I didn't record the whole process during the time that I was in the trade because um, there was a lot of emotions that I was going through, and I really didn't want the video to. I really didn't want the video to influence my decision making. So I went ahead and held until I was ready to close. And when I started recording, my camera was unplugged. So I just decided to record the screen before I closed it, um, because I didn't want to miss that opportunity. That's it. I closed it. Ooh, damn, 410. That's it. I'm done. Oh wow. I gotta talk about this, guys. Uh man, guys, like you guys have no idea how good it feels to be at 400 right now. Um let me show you what happened. So, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. So, I entered this trade yesterday here. I went short the first time and then it stopped me out and I was like, "Nah, like that makes no sense." I saw this point of structure. So I went ahead and I bought again and I put my stop loss over this point of structure here. So I went ahead and I entered my trade there. Um, After I entered, I held this pretty much all afternoon, all night, and then this morning I saw this pullback to this point of structure, but I felt like it was too far of a stop loss, so I went ahead and went to the 15-minute for this one. I noticed that it had another break of structure here, the swing point here, pulled back, and I entered after this candle closed on the 15-minute, set my stop loss over this point of structure, and then I let it run with the two trades that I took yesterday. So I ended up taking my profits here. Um, I was gonna hold it a little longer, but if I'm being honest with you, I had set my goal to 400. I said I'm gonna go ahead and trade it up to $400. So I closed it out at 410. Actually, no, yeah, I'm at 410. I'm at $410 right now. Um, so I closed it out at $410, which is huge in my opinion. Um, yeah, I'm pretty happy, guys. I'm pretty happy. But I closed it at 400 because that's what my goal was set for. I wanted to go a little longer, but because it was such a bullish move and I had been anticipating it for 2 days, and if I'm being honest, I realized something this week. I struggle with holding trades longer. I really do. I feel like I have a tendency to want to close a trade the same day right away. And this time around, my girlfriend told me, she's like, you need to stop closing your trades so quickly because every single time that you close them, you end up um beating yourself over the fact that you knew you should have held. And this has happened multiple times. And so when she told me that, it made me realize, oh, you know what? Maybe there really is a problem. Maybe I should hold them. And so all night, all yesterday, and this morning, I held it, and it was just like me fighting my emotions of closing the trade and just this anticipation of the pullbacks and everything. It was excruciating, if I will. So it really paid off. It felt good, and I just felt like, you know what, closing at $400 profit. I think that's the highlight of my week. Um, Even though if it continues dropping, if it keeps going, I'm not even gonna trip over it, honestly. I think I'm just happy that this ended up working out to our favor, really. Um, I mean, they're still moving clearly, right? This is a 15-minute chart. I closed it around here, and so it's still dropping a little, but I just really, to be honest with you guys, like I was happy with the profits. I feel like the next trade that we take is going to be even bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and wait it out and see for a next opportunity. But yeah, this was huge. This was a huge move in my opinion, especially considering it was at $90, $94 when I took this trade. And we turned it into $410. So, oh wow. Like I'm blown away, guys. I'm blown away. I blew myself away. I'm so excited about it. You know, like I haven't felt like this in a long time. So forgive me if I'm over hyping this, but I really am happy. It's been a long time coming. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the hourly chart. The reason I had enter here, let's go to trading view. When I got in, I saw the daily here reverse, as you can tell. There's a reversal on the daily. Let me make it bigger for you guys. So there's a reversal here, right? It had tapped, or not tapped. It had gotten to this point here with this bullish candle, right? So it's supply zone. It didn't really touch it, but it got close enough, and then it reversed. So yesterday, I saw that it didn't break this wick here, and that it continued to drop. And I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go short on this. So I did. And I figured, okay, it's probably either gonna get to this swing point, or it's gonna come down to this point here at the bottom. Damn it, guys! Oh, that would have been nice if I held it. This blue line here was my original take profit. This is where I wanted to take my profit, but I just felt like it was $400 that like, I don't know. Maybe I was wrong for it, but you know what? I usually don't even hold it that long, so I'm pretty happy with myself. I'm not even gonna trip over it. Um, damn. Oh wow. I'm blown away. Anyways, so that was the daily, right? I saw this weekly zone here. So I figured the price could probably go here and bounce back up, retest this break of structure, or retest this swing point for the week. So at one point, it's going to bounce off of here and continue up. Don't know when, but it will happen at some point. And then for the 4 hour, I saw this break of structure. This was my signal, honestly. When it broke this yellow line yesterday, I decided, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take the risk and try to go ahead and trade this. And that's where I went short. Went sideways this morning, and then it dropped. And that was my indicator for me. That was it. That was where I needed to go. And yeah, that's basically how it all played out. I didn't even change this. This is actually bearish now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do downtrend. So this whole chart, as you can tell, is bearish. So everything aligned, everything aligned. And I'm not gonna lie, I wish I held it longer, but it's just my emotions. I didn't want to like have that. And on top of that, like I was happy with my goal of 400. I figured I could probably just be okay closing it. Let's go back to the chart. Let's see where it's at. Yeah. See, let's go to let's see. Well, let's see. So I closed it here. It's still dropping some. I could. I mean, I really. That would be. I'd be chasing it at this point if I was to get back in. I just need to wait it out. Um, Possibly get in tomorrow. It's Friday, so I don't know if I want to trade tomorrow. I'll probably just wait until next week to take another trade. But honestly, we hit our goal for this week. We're at $400. we're sitting at $410. So next week, God willing, I don't know what it holds, right? I don't know what's gonna happen next week, but it'd be amazing to hit at least $1,000, maybe. So we'll have to see. But that basically closes this video. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. I am super happy about this. And yeah, I'm definitely not going to chase that. So, alrighty, guys. Peace.